Hi friends, I'm Artie and I love art. Today, we'll explore colors, mix new ones, and learn how to draw something fun. Let's get started. These are primary colors red, yellow, and blue. They're the building blocks for all other colors. Look at how bright they are. Now let's mix colors. Red plus yellow equals orange. Yellow plus blue equals green. Blue plus red equals purple. Now, let's draw a simple flower using the colors we mixed. Follow me step by step. 1. Draw a small circle for the center. 2. Add 5 big petals around it. 3. Use green for the stem and leaves. Wow, look at that! You made a colorful flower. Great job! Here's a challenge. Can you mix blue and yellow to make green? Try it at home and paint your favorite thing in green. Thanks for joining me in the colorful world of Artie. Keep exploring colors and creating your masterpieces. See you next time. For more fun episode, please subscribe.